What we're going to need for this installation is a microfiber towel, a squeegee, blade, cleaning solution, soapy water, and a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, we could always use a hair dryer. What we're going to get in the Charger full tint kit is the driver and passenger tail lights, and then the front and rear side markers. In order to make the soapy water for your tint installation, what you're going to need is a spray bottle, baby shampoo. If you don't have baby shampoo, you could also use dishwasher soap, and distilled water. Now we grab the spray bottle and we add 1 or 2 drops of shampoo, and we fill up the rest with distilled water, and then you have your soapy water ready. In order to make your cleaning solution or tack solution, we want an empty spray bottle, 50 or 70% isopropyl alcohol, and distilled water. We want to fill up the spray bottle with 20% of alcohol and then fill up the rest with distilled water. Now, the next piece we're going to work on is the taillight driver side, which is going to be this piece. Again, we just want to clean the area we're going to be working on. We want to apply soapy water, wet our fingers, now we're going to begin installation. Now what I like to do here is I just like to align the edge so I don't have to tuck over or I don't have to trim. So once it's in place, we're just going to spray it over with soapy water. We're going to grab our squeegee, hold the tint in place, and we're just going to squeegee out the excess water. So now that's done, and I'm gonna move on to the next piece.